Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to start from the beginning. We need to learn guitar. Okay. Today's a series of how you can learn guitar within a month. So we are going to do practice on the daily basis. So first, I'll have to show you some basic chords. Them from the basic chords you are going to learn the skills and so forth and so forth. You learn more things with time. So uh let me get let me give you an overload or no, just a general understanding of the terms used here. I'll be using. So this is the fretboard. These are the frets. This fret number 1, fret number 2, fret number 3, fret number 4, and so on and so forth. These are the strings. You have strings number 1, string number 2, string number 3, string number 4, string number 5, string number 6. Also, we have the names of the strings. We call this one the E string, the B string, the G string, the D string, A string, and the back to E string. This is the low A, while this is the high A. Okay, so let's start with our first basic chord is the chord of C. How do we hold our chord of C? Our chord of C, uh, we hold it in this shape. So the way we name fingers, we name this one as finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, finger number 4. This is the thumb. Okay. Let's get down to our business now. So the chord C, we hold string number 5 on that string. Then the second finger goes to string number 3. No, string number 4, second string. String number 2, first string. First fret. That way. That's our C. We have also another chord called F. We're going to run simple 3 chords: C, F, and G. So we have our C. We hold our G, F this way. String number 4, number 3, string number 2, and 1 this way. And look at my finger to make it more easier to hold. And then have our G. Our G, some people may hold our G like this. The others like this. But it's still the same thing. So this finger goes for string number 5. This goes for string number 6. And this one goes for string number 1. So we have our C, our F, and our G. So you can do simple exercises like strumming or starting rhythm. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1 C, 2, 3, 4 F. 1, 2, 3, 4 G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C. 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. That way. And do our exercises on those three chords. So we have to learn more as we go on. Subscribe. Thank you.